What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kenny and I'm back for another video. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video, spam them soap bars in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn the post notifications on so you'll be alerted every time I drop a new video. I drop videos Wednesday and Friday every week. I told Kenny hit the plug, I need more. It's going to be a quick trade breakdown because it was a quick and easy play this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the replay mode. And we're going to go back to about 7 o'clock. So real simple. I'm going to break it down real fast. Came in here and we dropped crazy yesterday. So high, low, lower, high, higher, low. And this is on the hourly chart. So we're still developing. We're not even in the New York session. As 8 o'clock was coming, these candles was pushing out of these trend lines that I drew. And they was pushing against the moving averages. So once I seen this candle was pushing past this line, I drew my continuation line because I'm thinking, okay, we're coming in. We had this big drop. We're probably going to continue bearish for the rest of the week. So I'm expecting price to continue, but I got my demand level drawn up above this bank level. So if anything comes down, we might just grab the liquidity and push up. I have my analysis already predetermined before I even drew all the rest of this up. For the candle, we started rejecting, and I knew, okay, cool. So we finna push up out of here, and we're gonna tap to one of these moving averages and push down. But that's what happened. So we missed this big leg of structure, and I already knew we was going to get a pullback probably to this upper trend line because we just took the liquidity and we closed strong close. So I figured, okay, let me draw my supply up here and then let me go ahead and pull the fib out because I'm thinking this is probably going to be at the highest level. So before the next candle, and we started pulling back. He started pulling back, and then right here, as soon as we tapped the 50, I was expecting price to push down closer to the 61.8, but we didn't get that big push like we wanted to, so we hopped in on the 50, stops under the 78.6, and this is what happened. Quick, easy, real simple fib play. We had a high point, we had our low point, we had our lower high, and then we had a higher low. And so as the New York session came into play, as we was coming down here and we started rejecting, really I should have started putting my buys right up in here. And then because we already rejected this area once at 7 o'clock, and the fact that when 8:30 came in and we started pulling back before we even tapped into this demand, I should have started putting a couple of buy orders right here, and I could have caught this whole move up. And even when price came back to the 50, we still would have been 50% of this whole candle's move in profit. And then now we already reached the 27 extension, but I'm out of this trade. Already out of this trade. This week it's been weird. I think it's because of Q4. Everybody's stopping. The momentum is stopping. Nobody's trading. Everybody's pulling their profits out. We corrected this big drop from yesterday, and then we made another big push. So tomorrow, I'm not expecting anything to happen. Maybe Thursday or Friday, but I'm expecting a big consolidation for the rest of the week and possibly for the rest of the month. I doubt that we come up to make any all-time highs again. We'll just have to wait and see. We have to just follow NASDAQ. SPX was moving nicely today as well. Y'all know they mirror each other. Same little setup. Rejecting right here. Push up. Fib play into the 38.2. Now we didn't get the 50%. We didn't get the golden zone push out of here, but we did get a 38.2. And y'all know the 38.2 is the last support / resistance in the Fibonacci levels, because each level acts as support and resistance, but specifically this level here is the last defense before we reach the 0.0. So If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to leave it a like. Spam them soap bars in the comment section. Hopefully we can get some more easy, simple plays like this, because this is beautiful. Big, healthy blue candles. It was a good play. So I'm gonna come back on Friday with a new video. We're gonna talk about Q4 probably. And yeah, it's your boy Kenny, and I'm out.